Good morning, everyone. Out in this rain this morning doing our feeding. Just wanted to check in on my subscribers and my viewers and everyone, see how everybody's doing. Still got some snow and it's raining. Chickens are over it. I'm over it. Need some dry weather. But hope all y'all hang in there. We got some videos, couple videos. Well, I'm gonna have another one today, but we'll get them out tomorrow, next day. So we'll catch all y'all later. Y'all have a good. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Catch you later. See you now. You here?